Yes, you had just a title. That's very interesting, and that's very interesting. Now, traveling in the Indian Railways. You know, a week before I have traveled in the Indian Railways, so I was like, Kushi, you can sum up those trailers of traveling in some minutes of videos. So here we go with this video. So shall we? Basically, when you travel to the trains now, it's fun. You know more about the exposure because you go to the station, you search your platform, and then confirming the train number, and the seat number, etc., etc., and calling your mom and dad, hey mama, I'm there at the station. Basically, there is a whole procedure to be the part of the journey. So, what makes a train more adventurous? So, here we're gonna discuss the 5 points. Number 1 is the washrooms. Look, if you're traveling in the Indian Railways, then going for the toilets is not less than any adventure. Wait, I will tell you. Okay, so the train is in the motion. Like the train is in the motion and you need to balance yourself in that situation. And if you are very good at this, then no doubt you enjoy that a lot. यार मम्मा बाहर खड़े रहो ना, यार की ट्रेन बहुत हिल रही है, अगर मैं अंदर गिर गई तो क्या होगा, कहाँ से लाओगी दूसरी खुशी, और पेपर सौंप दो यार. So basically there are some certain things that makes you laugh in the toilet. That is, you know, probably that mugga जो कि always chain से बंधा हुआ होता है and there is no hand wash, like probably because लोग उसे भी ना चुरा ले या लोग उसको misuse ना कर दे. So you have to carry your paper soaps along with you. Bestest part is that, you know, there is always a mirror, like the 2 mirrors inside the washroom and outside the washroom, and it's sufficient to, you know, like just to comb, and you know everything was like okay, everything is fine on your face and everything. Like okay, so there is always a mirror जो काफी impressive लगता है because girls school में हमारे पास even washrooms में mirrors ही नहीं होते थे because the teachers know ना कि अगर mirror लगवा दी then maybe लड़कियाँ बाहर आने में time लगाए शायद. Yeah, that's all about the Indian toilets. Number 2, the seats come beds. So when you travel in the sleeper class ना, so there is always a होड़ मची रहती है कि whether you know whether you want the lower one, the middle one, or the upper one. Like, and a person like me, so I always choose, you know, the upper one because there is always a fun fact of the, you know, the upper one seat because जब तुम चढ़ रहे होते हो सीट पे, so you know this is not less than any adventure because like, you know, climbing like this is, you know, equals to the like climbing the mountains, and जब तुम नीचे उतर रहे हो तो सब like, you know, jump करनी होती है कि 1 and then 2 and then jump, and mama was like खुशी आराम से, मतलब no mama, it's fun, like it's adventure. Okay, this seat is perfect now. I was like ये क्या, वो कौन है, I live. Okay, mama बैग फेंको, अरे यार फेंको ना, कुछ नहीं होगा, फेंको बैग फेंको, it's adventure, chill mama, chill, फेंको. आराम से फेंकने को बोला था, ऐसे नहीं फेंकना था. Why I relate all the things with adventure, like you know, you can have an eye on the whole coach कि कौन वॉशरूम जा रहा है, कौन ट्रेन के डिब्बे में टहल रहा है, कौन किस स्टेशन पे चढ़ रहा है या उतर रहा है, and moreover you have an eye on the officials of the train compartment. So basically तुम नजर रख सकते हो, जो कि हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये काम करना because you know हमें दिल्ली वाले तो पूरी रात भर ये होता है कि नहीं सोना, you know सुबह हमें सोना होता है, so the whole night what you can do like a job of a watchman. Okay, so keeping an eye on the people, like you know, is much similar to the job of the watchman because करना क्या होता है, you have to just, you know, आलती पालती करके बैठे हुए, and you like अच्छा okay fine, like I'm like yeah, this is similar यार. Number 3 is, you know, the weird persons. Well, there are some people who just, you know, deliberately give us a responsibility कि बेटा ये स्टेशन आ जाए तो प्लीज हमें उठा देना. And what if कि अगर हम लोग सो गए, okay मैं सो गई and मैं भूल गई कि उनको अंकल का स्टेशन आ गया और वो चला भी गया पीछे, and की गलती मेरी है फिर गलती उनकी है because they just deliberately give me the responsibility and मैंने फुलफिल नहीं करी. Okay, so
बेटा अगर वो जो सुजानगढ़ स्टेशन आ जाए ना तो जरा उठा देना, ठीक है, मैं ना जरा आँख मार लूं.
ओके, आप आँख लगा लो, मैं उठा दूंगी, ठीक है अंकल.
ठीक है बेटा.
अंकल उठो.
क्या हुआ बेटे, क्या हुआ?
सुजानगढ़ गया अंकल, अरे आँख लगा ली, उठो सुजानगढ़.
बेटा
शिट मैन, आँख लगाए रखो. And there are some more people like, you know, who just, you know, constantly, you know, कि asking from you कि अब कौन सा स्टेशन आया है, अब next कौन सा स्टेशन आएगा, and you know जिनको सीट नंबर का भी like there are always clearly 16, 17, 18. You can't see that seat number like.
अब बेटा ये सीट नंबर 25 कहाँ पर है?
अंकल ये सीट नंबर 4 है, 25 ना आगे है, आगे.
तो बेटा आगे कहाँ पर?
बेटा अंकल आगे, आप आगे जाओगे ना तो 3 बॉक्सेस आगे भी ना, उनसे पूछ लेना कि सीट नंबर 25 है, वो और आगे बता देंगे.
बेटे ज्यादा आगे या कितना आगे?
मैं आपको छोड़ के आती
ना बेटा ना, बस आप बता दो कितनी आगे.
सीधा जाओ, आइए सीधा.
कितना सीधा? थोड़ा सीधा या ज्यादा सीधा?
सीधा सीधा
चलो ठीक है.
Okay, so in India we have the diversity and that's beauty. Okay, so the number 4 is a cold weather. Okay, so if you're traveling in the afternoon, then there is extremely hot. But if you travel in the night, then there is extremely cold. Like cold means, you know what does cold means is you need your jackets, your topi, your cap, your gloves, and moreover you need a regime, man. Like seriously. It's so chill. Mama told me कि खुशी कंबल रख लियो बहुत ठंड होगी. I said no. No, it's fine. So number 5 is the commotion. आपको कोई शोर शराबा ना सुनाई दे तो आपको ना ऐसा रियलाइज नहीं होता कि you are with the public. You know the commotions will like कि रात को बेबीज रो रहा है, you know उसकी मम्मा उसको चुप करा रही है, and it's kind of cute because आप already आप टॉप सीखते हो and you can watch everything. I was like okay, what's going there? Among the 10 people there is always a one person जिसको खराटे लेने की आदत होती है and रात को सब कुछ you know शांत है and just in a train you know चल रही है, train is in motion and बाहर से नॉइज आ रही है जो कि है, लेकिन अंदर भी you know there is always a one person जो भी खराटे ले रहा था. It's like who's that person? Let's find out because रात को तो आप सो ही नहीं रहे थे, so you have a job to find out, like to keep an eye on the persons basically. Finally, when you reach at the platform and जब आप बाहर निकलते हो स्टेशन से तो there is always you know like auto वाले and buses वाले कि here we go like you know Lotse, Sujangarh and like everything you know you just get to know about all these things and this is basically you know you felt कि हाँ you have travelled in the Indian Railways. Okay, so without all these things you cannot imagine कि yes you have travelled in the Indian Railways without the commotion. Like seriously, man. Okay, so that's all about the video release. Hope you enjoyed this video and it's all about the, you know traveling in the Indian Railways, like the Indian washrooms, you know boats, extremely cold, etc. and many more. So here are some you know basically like 5 points and like which I have discussed with you. Like this is my personal experience, to be very honest. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to hit that ghanta because it's absolutely time. Subscribe कर देना यार. And yeah, do comments ना कि you know in पाँचों में से like you know like these words basically I felt it and it's what you can relate with yourself. And yes, do share this video with your friends and the friend like you know who travels a lot in this like in the train. And yeah, that's all about the video and show some visit to my videos and please don't create hate. Okay, so bye Lilies and love. Like seriously, बहुत टाइम के बाद love बोलने को मिला. I'm like yeah, my name just ignore because I am so lethargic.